Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to create this dreamy glow effect. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Import your video on InShot. Tap Effect. Select the Stylize effect. Pick Glow and adjust the intensity as you please. Tap the arrow to extend it to the end of the clip. Now press Adjust to further enhance your video to your liking. And that's it! You can also play around with other Stylize effects like Dreamy and HDR. Will you try these new Stylize effects? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.